Good morning, guys. It's a early video, I know, but this is one of the Castle Class 43 HSTs, and here to see it depart. This one is 43189. She looks like a beast. It's not due out until 7, but it's here, so let's have a quick look inside one of the coaches, but I've not actually been on the Castle Class HST before. Castle. As you can see, it is 43189. There are a few HSTs. There's about 3 more HSTs for cross country. There's still quite a lot for GWR. There's still quite a lot of HSTs with GWR around. But we're here at Gloucester on the Great Western mainline. It's the terminating point of Great Western mainline. All GWR services terminate here, and then they go back out. So this is the Golden Valley line, which goes in the morning, goes up to Penzance, which, as you can see, they use the HSTs in the morning, and then it's back to 158s, 800s, and all that. So yeah, and there was a 166 that was starting up at the front of at the front siding, truck, another one, and another one. There's a 166 that just was in the sidings. Not sure if it's coming out. But yeah, the train should be departing any minute. It's 7:54. No, it's 6:54. Yeah, oh, yeah, 6:55. So just waiting for it to depart now. Yeah, the barriers is just waiting for the barriers to go down. Let's get a photo, shall we? So just waiting for it to depart. Should be leaving in about 5 minutes time. So you don't tend to get much of these HSTs around Gloucester though. You mainly see them on Sundays. In the mornings they have the Penzance run. So this one's going off to Penzance. So yeah, and I'll see you when the train departs. Okay, so now the barriers are down. So just waiting for the guard now to close the doors, and then it should be departing. Our bus from Gloucester Transport Hub is at 7:57. So yeah, I just thought why not just do a little bit of a training spot. So HST is quite rare now, you don't see them as much here in Gloucestershire, but when we do, it's people like to celebrate when they see them, and yeah. So it's now 6:58 and the train is due out at 7. 2 minutes till it's out. National Express. There's an 800 coming in as well. There's a 10-car Class 800. (800-006). This is going to London Paddington. And 800-009 on the other, at the rear of this one. It's all going up to London Paddington. This one off to London Paddington. So looks like it's going to be a 10-car Class 800 passing Stroud today, which you don't see the 10-car sets. You only see five cars in Stroud, or maybe you see a few 9 cars, but for a 10, it's quite big to see the 10-car sets going into Stroud. They're usually used on the big main line from like Reading Didcot and Swindon, and in London, Paddington, Bristol and all that stations. So yeah, he's just ready to go off, and yeah, it shouldn't be too long now until we've left. It's a 166. It's a 6 car. That's 166-217. Now the HST is departing now. Nice full tone. You are a legend. What a legendary driver. Wow. Right, off to platform number 4 now. That's 17618. So heading on to platform number 4. We've got a 166 in the siding, which should be coming out soon. Oh, this one is Stansted Airport via Cambridge. Well, it looks like 6 o'clock is the best time to actually come train spotting, because you get the cross countries, you get the HST sets, you get everything. I need to get to this platform so I can see the 10 car leave, and then that should be it for today's Trains App video, because I've got to get to Gloucester bus station so I can film. No, I won't film the bus journey because I'm doing this little special video at Gloucester with some unusual trains. But the 166 in the sidings, 800-019 on platform number 4. And this one goes to
more information.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 car 166 217 at the rear. I didn't catch what the front was. So head to the other side. Let's see if we can get to the other side. I'll see you on the other side. I missed a chance to see the front of that 800, unfortunately, because it left just as I got on the other side. But that's why I didn't get any tones, unfortunately. And it's 10 past, so might see the 166 go out. Just waiting for the 166 to go off. But yeah, it's very rare now you see a class 800s 10 car sets in going up towards Stroud Stonehouse, because it's not a very big, it's not got big platforms, Stonehouse and Stroud, so yeah, I don't know how all the coaches are going to get on. What a sight. So you got 170 cross country, which is going to Stanford Airport. And then the 166, which I might have to get on a separate video because my phone's about to die. So this will be the end of this video, and when I see that the 166 is departing, I'll get a video of that when it goes. So thanks for joining me on this Trains app video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, like, subscribe, favourite, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. Yeah, so have a good morning, and I will see you later on today, because I will be coming back to Gloucester's train station around 4ish. So yeah, thanks for joining me, guys. I will see you all in the next video. Bye for now.